Today we're going to recreate a scene from the Ixion room from the house of the Vetti in Pompeii. Shows a low woodworking bench and Icarus making a mortise joint in a piece of wood. The interesting thing is, it's held in place with nails. So we're using a few beaded nails to lock it in place. Bit of a miss there. Let's have that done a bit better. One at the end to secure the workpiece. Using an old steel chisel and a round hammer, which is quite rare in the Roman period, but they do have a larger sledgehammer type in this round style. Here we have rather badly made mortise from the house of the Vetti.